Hello everyone and welcome to How Rich Does It. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Today I'm going to give you a brief overview on vitamins and supplements I take. I have others. These are just some that happen to be what I'm taking right now. But pretty much this is my base. Sometimes I add others to it or I switch them around. The following information is based on my research for my personal regimen. I'm not a nutritionalist. I'm just sharing with you what I found to be beneficial for my body. In the description of the following vitamins, you will hear a recurring theme: helping to lose weight, digestive tract, and immune system. Who wants to get sick while you're dieting, or really at any other time for that matter? I'm not compensated by any of these products. What you see here is what I was able to buy according to my finances. Some of the vitamins I will be stepping my game up and purchasing better brands when I finish these containers. So please research for yourself and also see what would be benefit for your health. So I'm starting here with what is my base of my vitamins, and this is my men's health formula. It's a 1-a-day vitamin here. So this is what we want to start with as a man, or they even have it in women's, they have it in children's. They also have it, I believe, in youth. I think it says like the sport type. And I guess, that has a lot of other vitamins for kids that are into sports that require a little bit more nutrition. So what you want out of your base vitamin or your daily vitamin is to have A, B, C, D, and E, 5 letters. Most manufacturers, they don't put enough vitamin D. This has 700 international units. They say about 600 international units for young adults and 800 international units for those over 70. So 600 is right about there for me. And don't forget to get some sun, and don't get sunburn. That definitely has your vitamin D. So the next item that I take here, and this is a fish oil. And we definitely want to get our omega-3s. I bought this here in a 2-pack. I don't remember the price because it was quite a long time ago, from Costco. As you see, there's 230 in each one of these. And it is good for your brain health, for fat loss. It's called the uncoupling protein number 1 that signals the body to crank up its temperature, and that helps trigger the healthy brown fats to trigger a thermogenesis that will help burn fat. It helps with muscle growth. It has an effect on the motor system, that is the light switch that turns on photosynthesis, which ultimately builds more muscle. So definitely right here, there are better brands out there. As I researched it, I found it, and but I have 230 to go, and I'm not going to waste them. I will be taking these, and like I said, this will be one of the ones that I can step my game up on. So, what I recently started taking here, collagen peptides. Now this particular one is paleo, it's keto friendly, it's grass fed, and it is pasture raised. And as you see at the bottom there, it is unflavored. So the reason I went with the unflavored is because I could put it in a cold drink, I could put it in a hot drink, and that would be beneficial for me. But as we get older, we lose collagen and our skin gets wrinkly, saggy. So what this does, it's a great source to aid in skin health, and it has been proven to promote healthier skin with moisture, and it is able to tighten your skin back up. It gives you healthier hair, healthier bones, your nails, your joints, just to name a few. The collagen peptides fall under superfood-like traits. If you have leaky gut syndrome, it'll help you out with that also. And it also helps to reduce cellulite. And like I say, these are just some of the benefits in these things. Look them up. This is a really good product. It's a really good price, probably about 40–50% cheaper than you'd find it in most other stores, and that's why I went with picking it up over at Costco. So the next thing I take is this small bottle, and this is my turmeric. This is definitely one of the ones I'm going to be stepping my game up on. I think I got this at Walmart or Walgreens or Rite Aid. But it's an anti-inflammatory. It's a super spice that has been used for thousands of years in India and in Asia, just to name a couple. Now, if you use it in cooking, make sure you get the benefits you want by adding black pepper. Black pepper helps significantly increase the absorption up to 2,000%. But not everybody likes the taste, so some people would choose the supplementation form. If you choose this option, just make sure it has pepper added to it. And that's definitely, you want to make sure on the back when you're reading your product that the turmeric does have added pepper if you're going to go that route. This is great for anti-inflammatory based diseases like joint pain, high blood sugar, chronic heart disease. There's additional benefits. Your teeth will get whiter, but I believe you got to brush with that. So I don't know about that one. It'll get rid of acne. Your hair will grow faster and thicker. It'll strengthen your immunity, cure sore throat, helps with colds, weight loss, and your skin will look younger. So, turmeric, awesome. The next item that I have here is ginger. Bring it up close here so you can see it. Another one I'm going to be stepping my game up on as far as getting a better quality one that's available on the market. And it reduces pain and inflammation. It also improves the digestive function. It reduces symptoms of nausea. It helps manage blood sugar levels, which help keep your blood glucose levels in check. And these levels have a direct impact on weight loss and weight gain, as well as how energetic or lethargic you'll feel throughout the day. So weight loss is definitely one. It speeds up your metabolism, helps keep you feeling full longer, boosts nutrient absorption, improves circulation, it improves your breath, it boosts your immune system, it clears sinus. You can also get fresh ginger root at most grocery stores and farmers markets. I make it with tea, and I also put it in my NutriBullet to make juices with it. I literally right now I am drinking a tea that has fresh ginger, and it's a green tea that I'm going to make a video on. It's an awesome brand of green tea, and I also have a little bit of turmeric in it, and it's really good. It's very soothing and it has a great taste, so that is awesome. My next item here, this is something that, man, I'm just really excited to be taking. I mean, look at that. No GMOs, no fillers, no preservatives, no binders, no artificial colors or flavors, or pesticides. This is vegan. It's grown in the sunlight. This is a really awesome one. And I just kind of stumbled across this one because I was researching both of these individually. And as I was researching them to purchase them, I ran across this one. And so I gave it a try, and they're awesome. So, excuse me, these are both superfoods. They're both algae, and they both provide a complete source of proteins, a wide variety of B vitamins, and exceptional detoxifying potential in the body with this stuff. They're great. They both come in powder or pill form. I found this product gives me the 50-50 ratio in a pill form. I'd rather do that than having to take it with some type of a tea or a water or a juice. Just if I'm, have my water in the morning, this is just part of my regimen. And so that is definitely great. Spirulina, it has vitamins A, B, C, D, E, K. It has minerals like potassium, copper, iron, magnesium, just to name a few, along with several phytonutrients. It's good for brain function, heart health, the immune system, also supporting bone marrow function for building blood cells. It's awesome. Spirulina is a complete protein. It contains all essential amino acids, and it is a better source of essential fatty acids, the GLA for short. So the chlorella part of it, or chlorella, it's a great antioxidant. It's cleansing, detoxification of the liver and digestive tract. It removes heavy metals such as lead, mercury, just to name a couple, and anti-aging component. It contains a growth factor which helps repair nervous or the nerve tissue damage and boosts immune systems. It has vitamins A, B12, C, and E. So like I said, these are just my base. Sometimes I'll switch them around. Sometimes I'll add more to them. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this information. It was beneficial to you. Please give me a thumbs up if it was. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please take the moment and subscribe right now. I have lots of cool videos and more coming very soon. If you know of someone that would maybe benefit from some of these items that I've gone over, or all of them, please share this video with them. Maybe more people will get involved in learning about how we can take care of our bodies better, become healthier, lose weight, and the progress of all that. And as always, I hope that everyone is safe out there, and please be kind to one another. And once again, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.